Which example would you like to see? In the first example, we have x divided by 5, which equals -4. So think about your inverse operations, and how would we inverse division? With multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by 5 so that we can cancel the 5. 5 cancels. On the other side of the equal sign, I have -4 times 5, which equals -20. So x equals -20. In example 2, we have a fraction. So when you are inversing a fraction, you can use a reciprocal, which means we flip the fraction. So instead of 8 over 3, I'm going to multiply by 3 over 8 on both sides. This makes the 3's cancel and the 8's cancel, and so I get x equals, looking over here, we get -24 times 3, which is a -72. Keep that divide by 8, so now we can divide. -72 divided by 8 is going to give us a -9. So x equals -9. In example 3, we have x minus 5 equals 12. How do I inverse a minus 5? This is subtraction, and the inverse of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. That makes the 5's cancel and leaves me with just x equals 12 plus 5 makes 17. So x equals 17. In example 4, we have x minus 3 equals -1. This is subtraction, and the inverse of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So I have x equals 2. In example 5, we have 6 times x. And so to inverse that multiplication, we're going to use division. And to show division, we use a fraction bar on both sides. I'm going to divide by 6 on both sides. This makes the 6's cancel, and we get x equals -42 divided by 6 is -7.